Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, August 16th. We continue reading from the book of essays by Mark Nepo, the Book of Awakening. Today's essay is titled In Your Veins. As always, after the reading, we're going to do a short meditative reflection around it. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a little poem from John Welwood. Forget about enlightenment. Sit down wherever you are and listen to the wind singing in your veins. When starting out, I wanted so badly to become a poet that I held it in view like some hill I needed to climb to see from. But getting to the top, something was missing, and so I had to climb the next hill. Finally, I realized I didn't need to climb to become a poet. I was a poet. The same thing happened with love. I wanted so badly to become a lover, but climbing through relationships like hills, I realized again that I was a lover all along. Then I wanted to become wise, but after much travel and study, it was during my bedridden days with cancer that I realized I was already wise. I just didn't know the language of my wisdom. Now I understand that all these incarnations come alive in us when we dare to live the days before us, when we dare to listen to wind singing in our veins. We carry the love and wisdom like seeds, and the days sprout us. Now take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, into your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Breathing naturally, just notice how this natural breath flows through your body and how your body responds to it. And as you do this, remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix about your breathing. It's good enough. By the same token, there is nothing you need to change about anything. This moment is good enough. You are good enough, just the way you are. See if this reminder allows you to touch a sense of spaciousness in your whole being. See if it opens up a space of freedom in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Continue breathing simply, naturally, without trying to make your breath anything it's not. And with each exhale, put down the names of what you aspire to, one by one. What are those aspirations for you? How does it feel to put them aside one by one. How does it feel in your body, in your heart, in your mind? Continue breathing softly, and now, with each exhale, put down the names of relationships too. Lover, father, mother, daughter, son. All those labels, putting them down. Setting aside, letting go of everything, all the preconceived notions, ideas that come with those labels. How does that feel? And once you've done that, simply sit where you are, without any labels, without any names covering you. And just listen to the wind in your veins. How does that feel? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this beautiful reflection. What might happen in the way you experience your life if you stop aspiring to anything and just be? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.